Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to remove your Apple Cash from the Wallet app in 2025. It's a quick and simple process, so let's dive right in. First, launch the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. This will show you all the cards and keys that you use every day. Next, find the app and tap on the Apple Cash card you want to remove. You'll see the options to manage your cards. Now exit the Wallet app and open up your settings. Scroll down the list and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. In this menu, you'll see a section labeled Apple Cash, which is where you'll manage to sending and receiving money. Tap on it and then simply confirm to turn off Apple Cash on your iPhone. After that, it'll remove from the Wallet app, but don't worry, your balance will still be able on the other devices. And that is it. You have successfully removed Apple Cash from your wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides like this one. See you in the next video.